Have you ever wondered how to create something impactful without revealing your identity? Welcome to the fascinating world of faceless YouTube channels. In the heart of the digital age, a novel trend is capturing the attention of millions worldwide. Faceless YouTube channels, a unique platform where creators are heard but not seen, are becoming increasingly popular. Now, how does one create a faceless YouTube channel? The journey begins with an idea, a spark of creativity that kindles the fire of content creation. This idea could be anything from sharing insights on a particular topic, narrating captivating stories, or even teaching a skill or subject. The second step is to establish the channel's identity. Just because the creator remains unseen doesn't mean the channel lacks personality. Creating a unique and catchy name, designing an engaging logo, and crafting an intriguing channel description are all essential elements in shaping the channel's identity. Next up is content creation. This is where the magic happens, where ideas transform into engaging audio scripts. The key here is consistency and quality. It's crucial to maintain a regular upload schedule and ensure that every video is crafted with utmost care and creativity. Now you might wonder, how does one create engaging content without visuals? Well, it's all about leveraging the power of the human imagination. Great storytelling skills, coupled with high-quality audio, can create a compelling narrative that keeps the audience hooked. Moreover, in the world of faceless YouTube channels, sound effects and background music become the stars of the show. They can set the mood, enhance the narrative, and create a unique audio landscape that captivates the audience. Once the content is ready, it's time to upload it on the channel. But remember, it's not just about uploading videos. It's about creating an immersive experience for the audience. Crafting compelling video titles, designing eye-catching thumbnails, and writing engaging video descriptions play a significant role in attracting viewers and boosting the channel's visibility. And finally, to grow and sustain a faceless YouTube channel, it's crucial to engage with the audience. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and incorporating audience suggestions can go a long way in building a loyal community of listeners. To sum it all up, creating a faceless YouTube channel involves sparking an idea, crafting a unique identity, creating engaging content, and maintaining consistent audience engagement. It's a journey of creativity and passion, where the creator's voice becomes the window to a world of imagination and knowledge. And remember, even though the creator remains unseen, their impact can reach far and wide, touching lives and inspiring minds through the power of their voice. So don't let the lack of visuals deter you. Embrace the magic of faceless YouTube channels and step into a world where the unseen becomes unforgettable.